Are you preparing for the competitive exams? So, today we are going to solve the most important science PYQs that have been repeatedly asked in previous years. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, the very first question from the physics part, which law explains the relation between the current, voltage, and resistance? So, the answer is option B, that is Ohm's law. Question number 2, the unit of power is. So, the answer is option A, that is watt. Question number 3, which mirror is used in vehicle headlight? So, the answer is option C, that is concave mirrors are used in vehicle headlights. Question number 4, what type of lens is used to correct short sightedness, that is myopia? So, the answer is option B, concave lens. Question number 5, the speed of light is maximum in. So, the answer is option C, that is air. Question number 6, dynamo converts. So, the answer is option A, that is mechanical energy into electrical energy. Question number 7, the SI unit of frequency is. So, the answer is option A, that is hertz. Question number 8, which type of wave does not require a medium? So, the answer is option B, that is light waves. Question number 9, the escape velocity of Earth is approximately 11.2 km per second. That is option A. Question number 10, which instrument measures electric current? So the answer is option B, ammeter. Question number 11, the phenomena of twinkling of stars is due to refraction. That is option B. Question number 12, which law of motion explains rocket propulsion? So the answer is option C, that is third law. Question number 13, which metal is used in making electromagnets? So the answer is option B, that is iron. Question number 14, X-ray waves were discovered by. So the answer is option A, that is Roentgen. Question number 15, the rate of doing work is. So the answer is option B, that is power. Question number 16, the unit of gravitational constant, that is G, is option A. Question number 17, which color of light has minimum wavelength? So the answer is option C, that is violet. Now the chemistry part, question number 18, the pH value of pure water at 25 degrees Celsius is. So the answer is option C, that is 7. Question number 19, which acid is known as the oil of vitriol? So the answer is option C, that is sulfuric acid. Question number 20, which element is known as the king of chemicals? So the answer is again sulfuric acid. Question number 21, the gas used in the fire extinguisher is carbon dioxide, that is option B. Question number 22, which element is essential for making stainless steel? So the answer is option C, that is chromium. Question number 23, dry ice is solid carbon dioxide, that is option B. Question number 24, which of the following is a noble gas? So the helium, that is option C, is the noble gas. Question number 25, who discovered electron? So the answer is option B, that is Thomson discovered the electron. Question number 26, the process of coating zinc on iron is called galvanization, that is option B. Question number 27, vinegar contains acetic acid, that is option C. Question number 28, which alkali is used in soap making? So the answer is option A, that is sodium hydroxide. Question number 29, that is atomic number of oxygen is 8. That is option C. Question number 30, which gas is known as laughing gas? So the answer is option B, that is nitrous oxide. Question number 31, the hardest substance naturally occurring is. I think you know this answer or you must know. So comment this answer in the comment box. Question number 32. The element used in pencil is. So the answer is option B, that is graphite. Question number 33. Stainless steel is an alloy of iron, chromium, and. So the answer is option B, that is nickel. Now let's start with the biology part. Question number 34. The structural and functional unit of life is what? I will not answer this answer. You have to answer this question in the comment box because it's very easy. Now next question 35. Which vitamin is produced in the skin in the presence of sunlight? So the answer is option D, that is vitamin D. Question number 36. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? So the answer is option C, that is kidney. Question number 37. Which blood group is universal donor? So the answer is option D, that is O. Question number 38. Malaria is caused by. So the answer is option C, that is protozoa. Question number 39. Which pigment gives green color to our plants? So the answer is option B, that is chlorophyll. Question number 40. Which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin D? So the answer is option B, that is rickets. Question number 41. Who discovered the vaccine for smallpox? So the answer is option B, that is Edward Jenner. Next question, question number 42. The largest gland in human body. So the answer is option C, that is liver. Question number 43. Which part of the plant carries food? So the answer is option B, that is phloem. Now answer the question, which part of the plant carries water? कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताना. Question number 44. The number of chromosomes in human body cell is. So the answer is option B, that is 46. Now next question, question number 45. Rabies is caused by. So the answer is option B, that is virus. Question number 46. Silk is obtained from. Again, it's a very easy answer, so you have to answer it in comment box. Question number 47. Which organelle is called powerhouse of the cell? It's an easy answer, but let me tell you, it's mitochondria. Question number 48. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? It's vitamin K, that is option D. Question number 49. The study of fungi is called. So the answer is option B, that is mycology. And the last question, the human heart has how many chambers? It's a very easy answer. So I think you all can answer this question. So I'm waiting for your answers in the comment box. I hope you like the information provided by me on the topic science. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye. Jai Hind.